Customers are reluctant to machine carbide with geometrically defined cutting edges. Therefore, grinding is predominantly used. Linhardt is the big exception. It is a hard and very fine-grained material. This tends to cause relatively rapid breakouts during turning. Linhardt is a packaging manufacturer that produces tubes and cans at 7 locations worldwide. Our job is to produce tools for tube and can manufacturing, as well as spare parts, format parts, and maintenance parts for the entire Linhardt group. We are responsible for tool development, mainly designing, producing, and manufacturing tools. As we need to become more sustainable as a packaging manufacturer, we work a lot with recycled material, that is, PCR material. This can only be processed with carbide tools. Among other things, we machine G30 carbide. This is a relatively fine and hard material which must be taken into account during machining because it can lead to excessive chipping. In 2014, we became interested in carbide because we wanted to increase the service life of our tools. We looked for a partner and found the best possible one for us in Horn. Horn's CVD plates allow us to eliminate grinding and switch to turning processes in many cases. This is more cost-efficient and results in shorter running times. G30 is the most commonly used material for dies and formed parts, and can be machined really well with CVD diamond. A distinction is made between PKD and CVD diamonds, whereby Linhardt exclusively uses CVD thick film diamonds. This is what the D stands for. It is a polycrystalline diamond without a binder component. PKD has a binder component and is not as hard. CVD diamonds are much better suited for machining carbide. Horn's CVD inserts guarantee process reliability. The artificial diamond is the best on the market. Machining, classic face turning, external longitudinal turning, external contour turning, internal thread turning, face grooving, external grooving. These are the main tasks performed on the lathe. In terms of cutting data alone, you are relatively restricted and have little leeway. You can only work to a certain extent and vary a little. The same applies to feed and in feed. You can do almost everything with Horn except for cutting off. That is not yet on the market. The latest development is carbide internal thread turning. This is very demanding and we developed it together with Horn. We also made special tools. When thread cutting, it is important to note that the corner radius on the cutting edge is very, very small. The cutting parameters have to be adjusted accordingly. This took some time, but we managed it. The main advantage of machining with CVD diamond is the time saved compared to grinding. We are very satisfied with our collaboration with Horn. All of the employees who work with us are highly qualified and work very efficiently and quickly. It is a trustful partnership. We are open with each other. It couldn't work any better. At Linhardt, we have proven that machining with CVD diamond guarantees absolute process reliability and also offers a promising future.